What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can switch back to personal account from your business account in Instagram. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do first, you have to open up your Instagram account. After opening the account, you have to go to your profile. So after opening the profile, you can see here is option 3 dot bar in the top right corner. You have to click on it. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after opening the settings and activity, you have to find the option called business and controls, business tools and controls. You have to click on it. Then you will find a bunch of options. You have to find the option called switch account. So here is the option. You have to click on the switch account type. After clicking on this, you have to click on switch to personal account. You have to click on this option. Then you will see a pop-up switch to personal account. You have to click on this. Then it will take some times to switching your account from business to personal. So after taking some time, it will switch to personal account. So you can see my account just switched business to personal. So I hope you find this video helpful. This is how you can change your account from business to personal account in Instagram. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.